How does a Swashplate control RC collective pitch helicopters? Imagine flying a helicopter with just a few simple controls. The secret behind smooth, precise movements lies in a tiny but mighty part called the Swashplate. This component is the heart of every RC collective pitch helicopter, allowing pilots to change how the blades tilt and turn. But how does it actually do that? Let's break it down. The Swashplate consists of two main parts, a stationary plate and a rotating plate. The stationary part is connected to the helicopter's control servos. These servos are small motors that respond to your transmitter inputs. When you move the collective or cyclic controls on your remote, the servos push or pull on the stationary plate, making it move up, down, or tilt in different directions. The rotating plate is attached to the main rotor shaft and spins along with the blades. It is connected to the stationary plate by a bearing, which allows it to rotate freely while still moving with the stationary part. When you raise the collective pitch control on your transmitter, the servos lift the stationary plate upward. This movement causes the entire Swashplate to rise, which in turn increases the pitch angle of all the rotor blades at once. Higher pitch means more lift, so the helicopter climbs. Lowering the collective pitch decreases the blade pitch, reducing lift and making the helicopter descend. This is how you control altitude with the Swashplate. For moving the helicopter forward, backward, or side to side, you use cyclic control. When you tilt the cyclic stick, the servos tilt the stationary plate in the desired direction. This tilting causes the rotating plate to follow, changing the pitch of individual blades as they rotate around. For example, tilting the Swashplate forward makes the front blades have a higher pitch and the back blades a lower pitch. This imbalance causes the helicopter to tilt forward and move in that direction. In RC helicopters, the mixing of collective and cyclic inputs is often handled electronically through a system called cyclic collective pitch mixing. This system uses a flight controller or the transmitter to calculate how each servo should move to get the right combination of blade angles. Most modern RC collective pitch helicopters use electronic CCPM, which means the system automatically adjusts the servos to give you smooth, coordinated control. The Swashplate connects to the blades through pitch links and pitch horns. As the Swashplate moves, it pushes or pulls these links, which change the pitch of each blade as it spins around. This setup allows you to control the helicopter's movement in all directions with precision. Whether you want to hover, climb, descend, or fly sideways, the Swashplate makes it all possible by translating your commands into blade pitch changes. That's how this small but powerful part keeps your RC helicopter flying smoothly and accurately.